To enable voice control on your GoPro Hero 11 and probably some other numbers of GoPro, the only thing you have to do is to swipe down and make sure this guy is enabled. Voice control is on. The other thing that you will want to do is to swipe on the right page and go into Preference and go down to Voice Control. From here you can change the language on which you want to speak to your camera. No, not in Japanese. Watashi wa nihongo ga hanasenai. English, just right there. All right. And from here, if you go into comment, you have the list of the comment you can say. So if I say GoPro video mode, well, that's what it does. So that's how it worked.